Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Smoothie King Gladiator at home, only way. Measure 2 scoops chocolate protein, 1 cup low-fat milk, 1 cup ice, 1 banana, and 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Then gather optional supplements like creatine. Use a high-speed blender to ensure a smooth texture, and chill the milk beforehand for a colder drink without extra ice dilution. Begin with milk and protein powder in the blender, then add banana, peanut butter, and ice. Pulse twice to break up solids, then blend on high for 45 to 60 seconds. If the mixture is too thick, add 2 tablespoons of water or milk. If too thin, add a few ice cubes or a quarter banana. Finish by tasting and adjusting sweetness or texture to your preference. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride after sweaty gym commutes. It pairs surprisingly well with post-workout rituals. Check the description for the link and other deals and to support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the blended Gladiator into a chilled cup and add a light dusting of cocoa or chocolate shavings for a pro look. For extra flair, rim the cup with crushed protein cookie crumbs or a thin smear of peanut butter. Enjoy immediately to preserve the frothy texture and optimal nutrient profile. And if you need more calories, add a second tablespoon of peanut butter for a richer, denser shake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.